Welcome to the demonstration of how to review, add, edit and remove custom actions in your MSI packages using Paste Suite. Open your package by selecting Edit with MSI Editor from the context menu. To review and edit custom actions, go to the Custom Actions tab. Custom Actions tab displays custom and standard actions in all available sequences of all installation modes. These modes are Normal or Simple installation, Administrative installation, and Advertisement installation. Custom actions which do not belong to any sequence are shown in Not Sequenced list. Currently it's empty. You can find descriptions of each installation mode and its sequences in the Details pane. The right pane gives an overview of the selected action. Please note that MSI Editor reads detailed execution and processing settings from numeric value of actions type. By default, only custom actions are shown, while standard ones are hidden by filters. You can untick this filter to review them. To add new custom action, click Add and select Custom Action. On the first step, you have to choose a basic type of your action, like launching an executable, running a script, and others. Let's run a VBS script. And then choose a source of your script, either from the binary table or file table, which actually will be installed to the file system by your package. Note that this tree displays only VBS files. Or you can choose a property which contains body of your script. Finally, you can specify a body of your script directly in the custom action. I will now copy the code of my script. Make sure you selected the whole body of your script. Now paste it to this field. Go to the Options tab where you can specify a name of your custom action. Select one of the execution modes: Immediate, Deferred, Rollback, and Commit. Here you can find a description of each mode. For instance, let's choose a Deferred mode. Also, you can choose execution context. Let's run our script in system context. In this particular case, scheduling options are disabled because they are not compatible with the selected execution mode. Finally, you can choose return processing option and other attributes. At the sequencing step, you can choose a position where you'd like to run your custom action. Incompatible sequences are disabled. For example, since we've chosen deferred for our custom action, incompatible UI sequences are disabled. Again, the sequence drop-down list allows you to select only compatible positions, taking into account your previously selected options. This list has such options as do not run in this sequence, run your action first, run after specific action, or run when particular termination flag is returned. By default, the wizard offers the most suitable position. Also, you're free to specify execution conditions, either by entering them manually or choosing from the list. As you can see, advertisement installation sequence is not present on this step because it cannot be used for custom actions. In general, the wizard ensures the creation of working custom action. Click Finish to let the wizard add your custom action. Added, modified, and removed custom actions are highlighted with colors. At any time, you can change the sequence position of your action, either one by clicking Move Up or Move Down, or move to a specific position by selecting the respective option from the context menu. You can edit any custom action. That will be done with the wizard we've just seen. Or you can remove an action. This option removes current instance, and the next option removes current instance with all its references in custom action and other sequencing tables. This is how you can easily manage custom actions in your packages with Paste Suite. Subscribe for our channel, wait for the next video tutorials, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.